Welcome to this comprehensive guide on the Frigidaire range F30 error, where we will explore the reasons behind this issue and provide a step-by-step solution to resolve it easily. The Frigidaire range F30 error is a common problem that occurs when the oven temperature sensor or the electronic control board fails to function correctly. This error code indicates a malfunction in the oven's temperature control system, which can be caused by a faulty temperature sensor, a wiring issue, or a problem with the electronic control board. To solve the F30 error, start by checking the oven temperature sensor for any signs of damage or wear. If the sensor is damaged, replace it with a new one. Next, inspect the wiring connections between the sensor and the electronic control board for any signs of damage or corrosion. If you find any issues, repair or replace the wiring as needed. If the problem persists, reset the electronic control board by unplugging the range from the power outlet and plugging it back in after 30 seconds. This will restart the board and may resolve the issue. If the error code returns, it may indicate a more serious problem with the electronic control board, which may need to be replaced. To prevent the F30 error from occurring in the future, make sure to clean the oven temperature sensor regularly and check the wiring connections for any signs of wear or damage. Regular maintenance can help extend the life of your Frigidaire range and prevent costly repairs. In conclusion, the Frigidaire range F30 error is a common issue that can be resolved easily by following these steps. By understanding the causes of the error and taking the necessary steps to resolve it, you can get your Frigidaire range up and running quickly and safely. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances and seek professional help if you are unsure about any aspect of the repair process.